Let's learn the letter A. Yay! A is awesome! A is for apple. Look at the shiny red apple, bouncing happily. A is for ant. The ant is marching with a big leaf. A is for airplane. The airplane goes zoom, zoom in the sky. A is for alligator. The alligator is smiling and waving hello. A is for arrow. The arrow points the way. Whoosh! A is for angel. The angel is flying with golden wings. A is for astronaut. The astronaut is floating in space. A is for apron. The apron is ready to cook something yummy. A is for alarm clock. Ring, ring, time to wake up. A is for avocado. The avocado is dancing with its seed. Yay! We learned the letter A. A is amazing!